Is this company?
Because our company is good management and good for the environment.
Okay. What is three bucket system?
Three bucket system is three color, red bucket for washing, gray bucket for rinse, white bucket for sanitize.
Okay. What chemical do you know? Can you tell me all of them? Chemical that you know.
Alcohol, ice cleaner, alcohol, lemonade, and freshener.
What chemical do you use to clean bathroom area?
Bathroom tester.
What is the color?
Pink color.
Okay. What is your experience in the hotel?